Add about 1 tablespoon of moisturizer. Half tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Finally, add 1 vitamin E capsule. If you are having oily skin, then instead of this, use rose water. Now mix them well. Now our primer is ready to use. Coming to the process, take a clean bowl and spoon. And to this I am going to add Spin's BB talc. There is no particular measurement, but I am taking this much of BB talc. And next I am going to add lactocalamine lotion. And next I am going to add this baby cream. Now after adding this, mix it well. After mixing this, I am going to add few drops of glycerin. Add only few drops, so this much is enough. Again mix it really well. If you are having dark undertone, then add some cocoa powder into this. And if you are having a yellowish undertone, then you can add a pinch of turmeric into this. So now your homemade foundation is ready. Now transfer this in any airtight container and you can store this for about a month easily. So now we will see how it works on my hand. I will show you demo. Just dot it and blend it. It really blends very easily. So you can see both of my hands. It has good coverage. So yeah, our foundation is ready. First take some beeswax and add foundation into it. Next add compact powder. If you are having loose compact powder, then use it, otherwise scrap it from your compact case. Finally add some olive oil. Now I am melting this with the help of a candle. Once it is melted, it turns out into a liquid form. Now transfer it into an old lipstick case you are having and leave it for a few hours. After few hours, this is how our concealer stick looks like. Now I will show you how it works on my hand. I'll swatch it. It is really very soft in texture and glides very easily into our skin. So this is how we make our own concealer stick at home. First add foundation into a bowl. Here I am adding Lakme Perfecting Liquid Foundation. Next add talcum powder to this. Here I am using white tone face powder. You can add any brand of powders like Johnson's baby powder or Pond's or Himalaya baby powder or any brand you are having with. Add required amount of powder and mix them well. To this add a little amount of water so that it turns out into a smooth paste. The consistency should not be too thick or so runny. It should be medium. If necessary, you can add little bit of powder again. Mix them well. This is how the consistency looks like after mixing. Now take an old compact case and transfer this into that. Clean the case if there is any product remains and dab it twice so that there will be no lumps. Let it dry for 2 days. As we are not adding rubbing alcohol, it takes time to dry. This is how a compact powder looks like after drying. I will show how it works and you can see how it works.